Okay, let's see. Ooh, this one definitely smells good. This one, child. If they have this at your nearest, honey, I'm looking over there. If they have this at your local nearest Dollar Tree, the amber one. Honey, listen, okay? I'm going to show you these new items, okay? Really, really good. Really, you gonna like this. I know you gonna like it, because you fancy, mancy, okay? You a fancy one. Okay, my card, honey, trying to unlock it so I could get these two items from Dollar Tree. Done left Dollar Tree, got outside, was able to unlock it. Child, now I'm going to get these two items. Remember what I said. I said I'ma deliver, okay? Dino on the mic, like the MC. Getting ready to move your feet in these Dollar Tree streets. Oh, Jill, you ain't ready. You are not ready. Honey, don't have me cut up in here, okay? You ain't ready. Listen, child, I was about to walk out. Oh, but one of the fabulous associates here, she was like, we got some new items. I said, girl, speak it, okay? I'm going to show you real quick what they have in here. Excited, okay? All right. So we had seen these yesterday, the 7 briefs, size 8, softer than ever. Afro Unicorn, Unique, Divine, Magical. Now, you get 7 briefs for $1.25. Yes, you heard exactly what I said. 7 briefs for $1.25. But honey, it don't just stop here. They also have this as well. 7 briefs, size 6. And I think mainly they have size 6 over here. For the Afro briefs, they have a size 8. And this is pretty much what they have. Honey, where are you going to get some Disney character briefs for the little girls for $1.25? Honey, nowhere, okay? Dollar Tree also has this Baby Love top to bottom wash, okay? Baby soft scent. You know what's so crazy? And this is $1.25. Honey, I was like, you know what? Let me leave. Girl, you better listen to your intuition, okay? And stop playing. Dollar Tree has the Power Stick shower gels, Sandalwoods, okay? Let's see how this smell. Okay, so this smells good. I like this. They also have the Amber Rogue, okay, and a Brazilian Mist. Honey, these wipes that they had, oh, child. Dollar Tree, you guys need to bring the wipes back, okay? Because those wipes were so, so good. Could you believe it? I had helped somebody out and put my wipes in a bag, child, okay? And those wipes was so, so good. Honey, if you get your hands on the Brazilian Mist wipes, notes of pistachio and salted caramel, you are a lucky soul, okay? Let's see how this one smell. Amber Roll. Now, Dollar Tree also have these hair and lip sets, okay? JoJo, really, really cute. They also have the Trolls hair and lip set, 2 hair clips, and lip balm for $1.25. When I tell you these are great stocking stuffers, honey, they are great stocking stuffers. They also have these pens. These are really, really cute. Look at the sun. Okay, the sun is just shining. Really, really cute. These are $1.25. Another great stocking stuffer as well. Now, Dollar Tree also have the feminine wash with pomegranate and hibiscus extract, feminine wipes, and then we have seen these, some of us, menstrual heat patches. This is 1 patch, easy to apply, discreet heat therapy, odorless, helps relieve cramps, adheres to clothes. So if you're a person, when ever is that time of month and you just, going through some pain, most likely that is because your womb is cold, okay? All right. And so you notice when you drink like stuff that is warm, like tea and stuff like that, it feels a little better, right? So this will, I guess, definitely help because it's a heat patch. This is a still deal like Holyfield for $1.25. Where you gonna find this at? Okay, let's see. This one definitely smells good. This one, child, if they have this at your nearest, honey, I'm looking over there. If they have this at your local nearest Dollar Tree, the amber one, ooh, this smells so good. So it has notes of jasmine, saffron, and amberwood. This, ooh, that smells so good. Oh, child, that smells really delightful. This smells delightful, really good. Now, we talked about the Harry's scalp cream. This Dollar Tree location next to where I live at, they only have one left. All right. This is $1.25. Now, you guys know, honey, this not Barry's, Larry's. This is Harry's. Okay. All right. And normally they want like $30. One of the subscribers, she has said it. I think she subscribed to my channel, but she said the Harry's, but it's the 5 fluid ounce is $30-something. I said, what in the world? Okay, so honey, you better be getting to your nearest local Dollar Tree, or honey, you can always take that trip. You know how I feel about getting out of your comfort zone. Okay, still deal like Holyfield. Now I did purchase this, and then I also have the scalp scrub with like it feels like sugar or something. It's a scalp scrub, $1.25 as well. I don't know if they have that one here, but let's see. Let's check them out. Okay, so Dollar Tree still has these sassy and chic makeup brushes. So 5 pieces for $1.25. They come in 2 different colors. All right, great stocking stuffers, by the way, purple and also pink. Absolutely love it. Still deal like Holyfield. If you have like I want to say like a niece or something that's probably around 13 or so, buying them, well, honey, nowadays, I don't know. They probably want something. They probably want something better than this, okay? But it's really the thought that counts. This is $1.25. This is a still deal like Holyfield to me. I had showed you guys this the other day, the Cocoa Mix Dark Chocolate. Honey, when I tell you these people ain't waste no time buying this up, they did not waste no time buying this up. Dollar Tree also have the Truffles Premium Dark Chocolate, 6 pieces, Sherwood, for $1.25. Could you believe this? $1.25. Yes, child. I am a cup girly, okay? Absolutely love the cups, all right? Especially when they fancy mancy, all right? So remember, we had seen these. Try me. They light up at the bottom. Let's see if this one works. Let's see. Oh no, child. They done pressed that button one too many times, all right? They also have these. Now, I absolutely love this. This is the stemless tumblers, okay? Be Jolly. And I don't know if these are spill proof or not, because they do have this little thing right here to pull back. But, honey, they have that little hole up there, so I'm not really sure, okay? Now, they come in 2 different colors. They have the green. You guys know I'm a greens girl, okay? And then they also have the red. Oh, child, they also have the blue. Come in 3 colors. Sipping through the snow. I know that's right, but child, just what are we sipping, okay? Now, they also have the tumblers over here, which I absolutely love these. The purple one, honey, it was a still deal like Holyfield. I don't even think they have any more of the purple ones. These are $1.25. I absolutely love this. I remember when I first purchased this one, I was so excited, okay? Because I had seen another content creator with this cup, and she would be sipping. She would say, drink your water or something like that. And I was like, oh my goodness, this cup looks so fancy. Came to Dollar Tree a few weeks after that. They sure had it at my location, okay? So they come in pink, black, gold, red, And then they also have the white in the bag or the clear in the bag. Honey, can you say still deal like Holyfield? Move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Let's go. Now, Dollar Tree also have Arthur. Who remember Arthur back in the day? Child. Honey, okay, Arthur. Who remember Arthur back in the day? And his sister, what was his sister name? Oh my goodness. But anywho, they have these plush stuffies, okay, PBS Kids, $1.25, great stocking stuffers. Absolutely great stocking stuffers. They also have the Spyro Art over here, which is $1.25 as well. They also have Gabby's Dollhouse over here, Peppa Pig. Let me see. Metal Kit. This is like the race car, 4 pieces race car. I guess the pieces that goes to the race car. I absolutely love this. Another great stocking stuffer is these Matchboxes over here. Okay, the Telsa. They have Opel, honey, don't get me the Lion. Okay, the Ford and the Nissan. Really, really good. Now, also these figure stampers. I had showed you guys these before with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, LOL Dolls, Blue's Clues, honey, Baby Shark. All right, let me see if I can remember. Paw Patrol. See, I remember. And then they also have, I said Blue's Clues, didn't I? Okay, $1.25. All right. Dollar Tree also have these tablecloths right here. These are really, really cute. I like this. Okay, you see the Santa. You can't see the full exact picture. Okay, oh, there you go. Okay, and then you see the gifts right here. They also have the fabric gift bags, 3 pieces for $1.25. And I think this is pretty much, yeah, this is pretty much the only color that they come in. So this is a 6x4, just so you can know. Okay, all right. Then they also have the Merry and Bright fabric bags. Now you get 2 pieces, 2 bags for $1.25. This one is a little larger compared to the other one that's in a plastic. All right, so these are definitely new flower sack towers. Okay, dear Santa, let's negotiate. Honey, okay, $1.25. Absolutely love it. Dollar Tree also have Joy to the World. These are 5 gift boxes, okay, for $1.25. Great for jewelry. Absolutely love this. Honey, where you going to get 5 gift boxes for $1.25 at Dollar Tree? Now, Dollar Tree also has these dollar handmade holiday greeting cards. Really, really cute. Absolutely like this. Peace on Earth. Okay, this is cute. All right, the Holly Night. I like that. Oh, child, honey, the reindeer. Is this a reindeer? No, this is a penguin. Okay, styling and profiling he is with his glasses. Okay. Oh, Merry and Bright. Oh, child, honey, is the colors for me. Okay, if it looks like it costs something, okay, look like it costs some money, I like it. All right. They also have this gingerbread house. Oh, this is so cute. Season's greetings, honey, $1.25 for cards. There is a still there like Holyfield. Ooh, now this one. This the one. Okay, the penguins, the reindeer, and the snowman. Honey, on the turntables, about to open up for the MC, named Dean and me. Really, really cute. Absolutely love this. Home for the holidays. Cute. Merry Christmas, Mom. Absolutely love it. And then look at the snowman. All right, honey, they grooving and moving their feet to the beat. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the motion activated outdoor solar wall lamp. Now this is $5, 3 light modes, solar charging, 20 feet motion sensor radius, water resistance. Okay, $5. And they have a few of these, okay, just in case if you like, you know what, I need to go on and get me one of those. I had seen this the other day, the 18 function and one set, the multi hammer 2. This is $5. So they have like 18 functions, so you ain't gotta be calling him, okay, saying, let me use your hammer, okay? Come to Dollar Tree. They got one for $5, okay? And not only, he's just gonna give you the one, okay? Honey, Dollar Tree has 18 functions. Now, they had some Pokemon cards. Child, these people done ran through those Pokemon cards. Let me see if they have more over here. Let me check them out. They brought all of those Pokemon cards. Or when I say 2 boxes, brought them. I showed you guys this the other day, the Novelty foam ball blasters. Really, really cute. Ooh, okay, include 6 balls, right? You see how they have this, the balls with the unicorn here. Okay, honey, that's fancy. She fancy. $3. And then they also have the monster trucks up here, which are $5. So each one of these little balls, when I say a great stocking stuffer, really, really good. When the children, they open this, okay, they have a surprise. Okay, these monster trucks, they also change colors. All right, how fancy is that, child? Fancy. Now, I had showed you guys this the other day, the luggage case set. This is $5. Age is 3+, includes 12 markers, 2 stickers, 1 picture book. Really, really cute. And honey, it comes on wheels. Okay, the handle, child, honey, she fancy. Really, really fancy. Had to come back in here to get this stuff. If you go to Dollar Tree, right, and you see these briefs, okay, this, or if you see this, honey, the amber one, child, a steal deal like Holyfield, okay? I'm never say I didn't put you on anything, okay? You know how much these 2 things was for 7 briefs, okay? You want to know? $2.54. Child, you better get to Dollar Tree.